Quick little video on this thing pre-refurbishment, just to have kind of benchmarks to compare against post-refurbishment, because I think I'm going to be replacing some bearings. So, voltage. Wattage. Let's go. Suction. Yeah. That squealing is what leads me to believe bearings will need to be replaced. I know the lady who gave this to me said she had been using it as a garage vac for many years, so I kind of expected that it may need a very good refurbishment. By the way, does anyone know how to get this yellow kind of coloring out of here? As you can see, it's been discolored over time. I'm guessing maybe that Retro Bright solution might work. The stuff made with the 90 or 9% peroxide, but I have no idea where to get that. So if anyone's got any tips on how to get that yellowing out, it'd be fantastic.